Hello, welcome to this video. Now we are going to talk about volume of cuboid. How do we calculate the volume of cuboid? First of all, the volume of a cuboid is the area of the cross section. That is the cross section of the cuboid is rectangle multiplied by the height of the cuboid. That is volume of cuboid is equal to area of cross section. That means the area of cross section is also known as the rectangle. So cross section of a cuboid is rectangle. That means we are going to just simply multiply the area of the cross section, which is area of the rectangle, which is length times breadth times the height. This gives us the formula. Volume of a cuboid is calculated as what? This length and breadth represent the area of the cross section, because length and breadth is the area of a rectangle. So this is the area of the cross section. They multiply by the height. That gives us length times breadth times height, giving us the volume of a cuboid. Now let's see calculating the volume of cuboid. Let's see an example. Now, this is a very quick concept. Please note the following when calculating the volume of a cuboid. Number one, long. Sometimes instead of giving you length, they'll just give you long. Sometimes instead of giving you breadth or width, they give you wide. Sometimes they'll give you height, they give you high or deep. So know that long means length, wide means breadth or width, while high or deep means height. Number two thing you should know that whenever you see something like 4 cm by 2 cm by 3 cm means length is 4 cm, breadth is 2 cm, and height is 3 cm. Now, example, what is the volume of the box below? This box, as you can see, is actually a cuboid because it is a rectangular prism. Having length to be 10 cm, the breadth is 8 cm, and the height is 5 cm, and this is a common entrance question. So how do we solve this? So you can see that the length is 10 cm, the breadth is 8 cm, and the height is 5 cm. If our volume is equal to length times breadth times height, that gives us 10 cm times 8 cm times 5 cm, which is equal to 400 centimeter cube. Number two, the rectangular tank is 6 meter by 4 meter by 5 meter. What is the volume of the tank, of the water in the tank? Now, actually, I've earlier said that 6 meter is the length, 4 meter is the breadth, and 5 meter will now be the height, as shown here. Then the volume of the cuboid calculated as length times breadth times height, which is 6 meter times 4 meter times 5 meter, which is equals to 120 meter cube is the volume of that cuboid. Also, we have a third example to see a rectangular tank has a length of 3 meter, a breadth of 2 meter, and a height of 8 meter. What is the volume? What volume of water is in the tank when it is half full? This is a common entrance examination. So when the full volume we know is calculated as length times breadth times height, which is 3 meter times 2 meter times 8 meter, which is giving us 48 meter cube. Then what about the half volume? If this is the full volume, then what about half full volume? That is going to be half of 48. Half of 48, that is 48 cm cube divided by 2, which is going to give us, it's going to be 48 meter cube, which is going to give us, if you divide it by 2, which is half, that will give us 24 meter cube. That is the volume of the water in the tank when it is half full. Also, we have number 4 here, what is the volume of a bus 18 cm long, 15 cm wide, and 10 cm high? As you can see that long here mean length, which is 18 cm, wide mean breadth, which is 15 cm, and high here mean height, which is 10 cm. So the volume of that cuboid is going to be length times breadth times height. This gives us 18 cm times 15 cm times 10 cm height, which is giving us 2,700 centimeter cube. That is the volume of that box. Also, here you have some exercises that you can solve for your own, for further understanding. Find the volume of this cuboid. Number one, this is the cuboid of length 6 cm, breadth 8 cm, and the height is 5 cm. Number two, here the length is 10 cm, the breadth is 5 cm, and the height is 15 cm. Calculate the volume of it. And number three, you have to see that the length is 9 cm, the breadth is 4 cm, and the height is 9 meter by 4 meter by 13 meter. Number 4, Find the volume of the box measuring 8 cm by 6 cm by 5 cm. A kerosene gallon is 25 cm long, 20 cm wide, and 30 cm high. What is the volume of the tank? Please do this exercise, and please, you can post your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further notification. Thank you as you do so, and God bless you.